Once a vegetable vendor unable to afford 2 square meals a day, today her artworks get sold for millions. Meet Shakila Sheikh, who slept on the streets and was married at the age of 14 because her mother could not fend for her. Even after marriage, her husband struggled to make ends meet. Art happened to her by chance when she attended an exhibition where she was invited by a retired government employee who helped her with her education when she was a child. Baldev Raj Panesar, whom she called Baba, was amazed with the collage she had made after drawing inspiration from the artworks at the exhibition. In 1990, she held her first solo exhibition and earned 70,000 rupees. After that, there was no looking back. Today, her artworks are sold in the country and abroad. Even the renowned designer Pierre Cardin has purchased one of her works, but she remains the same old humble Shakila.
সবাই হয়তো এরকম চেষ্টা করে যে আমি নিজে কিছু করব, হয়তো এরকম আমার মতো অনেকেই দাঁড়িয়ে যাবে পারে।
Shakila truly made the impossible possible.